Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Opulent Grandeur, French Baroque design with navy and gold. The French Baroque style, born from the court of Louis XIV, is the very definition of dramatic and luxurious design. It is an aesthetic of power, emotion, and magnificent detail, designed to awe and inspire. This video reinterprets this classic style through a sophisticated, modern lens by focusing on a rich color palette of navy blue and radiant gold. We will use damask wallpaper as a key element to weave historical grandeur throughout a contemporary home. Prepare to embark on a journey that transforms your living spaces into a scene of palatial elegance and timeless beauty. The grandeur of French Baroque begins before you even step inside, with an exterior that commands attention. Opt for a facade with symmetrical, classical architecture, featuring ornate stonework, arched windows, and perhaps a mansard roof. In the garden, embrace formal landscaping with geometrically precise parterre beds, neatly trimmed boxwood hedges, and gravel pathways. Introduce classical elements like a stone fountain as a central focal point, adorned with mythological sculptures. For a touch of our color theme, consider navy blue painted shutters or garden furniture with gold accented frames. This creates a cohesive and majestic transition from the outside world into your private chateau, setting the stage for the opulence within. Your entryway should serve as a breathtaking prologue to the home's interior narrative, making a powerful first impression. Cover the walls in a large-scale, navy blue and gold damask wallpaper to instantly envelop guests in luxury. Center the space with a dramatic, gilded console table featuring cabriole legs and a marble top, reflecting classic Baroque craftsmanship. Hang an extravagant crystal chandelier overhead to cast a sparkling, ambient light that makes the metallic threads in the wallpaper shimmer. The living room is the heart of French Baroque social life, designed for both conversation and impressive display. Continue the navy and gold damask theme on a single accent wall, creating a majestic backdrop for your main seating area. Invest in a plush, oversized sofa and armchairs in navy blue velvet, featuring deep button tufting and sculpted, gilded wood frames. Drapery should be heavy and opulent, using navy blue silk or brocade with gold tassels and tied back with thick golden cords. Gilded end tables, a carved marble fireplace mantel, and layers of ornate picture frames will enhance the room's rich texture. Finally, accessorize with crystal decanters, leather-bound books, and a plush, gold-fringed area rug to tie the entire lavish space together. Transform your bedroom into a private chamber worthy of royalty, focusing on comfort and dramatic flair. Upholster the headboard in a luxurious navy blue fabric, making it a tall, stately statement piece against a damask feature wall. Drape the bed with layers of high thread count linens, a navy velvet coverlet, and throw pillows in gold silk to create an inviting nest-like feel. Incorporate gilded furniture such as a delicate vanity table, a large armoire with intricate carvings, and bedside tables with cabriole legs. For lighting, choose crystal-based table lamps or gilded wall sconces to provide a soft, warm glow in the evening. A plush, deep pile rug underfoot and heavy, floor-to-ceiling curtains will ensure the room feels both cozy and magnificently grand. The dining room is where French Baroque drama truly shines, perfect for hosting unforgettable gatherings. Create a sense of enveloping luxury by applying the navy and gold damask wallpaper on all 4 walls, making the room a jewel box. The centerpiece should be a substantial, dark wood dining table with a gilded base, surrounded by high-back dining chairs upholstered in navy blue damask or velvet. Above, a monumental crystal chandelier is non-negotiable, providing the main source of dazzling light and reflection. Set your table with fine china, gold-rimmed crystal glassware, and ornate silverware to complement the room's opulence. A grand gilded Baroque mirror and a matching sideboard for displaying fine serveware will complete this scene of sophisticated entertaining. Infusing Baroque elegance into the kitchen requires a balance of historical detail and modern functionality. Opt for custom cabinetry painted in a deep navy blue, featuring classic raised panel doors and ornate, gilded hardware. A stunning marble or granite countertop with dramatic veining will add a touch of natural luxury and timeless appeal. Incorporate a professional-grade range with a classic, imposing hood, perhaps clad in a metal finish that complements the gold accents. Use a decorative gold finish faucet and a backsplash of white subway tile with gold grout for a subtle, yet impactful detail. Open shelving to display gold-rimmed china and crystal, along with a central island with a gilded base, will seamlessly extend the home's design narrative into this vital space. Elevate your bathroom into a personal spa that echoes the palatial bathrooms of a French chateau. Clad the walls and floor in large-format white or Carrara marble tiles, letting their soft veining provide a serene backdrop. Introduce the navy and gold theme through a stunning damask papered accent wall behind the vanity or freestanding tub, ensuring it is in a moisture-resistant material. Select a freestanding tub with a classic, clawfoot design and a polished gold finish for the faucet and fixtures. The vanity should be a furniture-style piece with a marble top, a navy blue base, and a gilded ornate mirror hanging above it. Final touches like plush navy towels, a gilded chandelier, and crystal sconces will make this space a truly decadent and relaxing retreat.